After investing in the Malaysia share market for more than 7 years, you know what I found? Reading these books are great. When I first started out, I'm very cute, I read a few of these investing books and learn what value investing. Wow, then I feel like very proud. Nobody knows this except me, right? And I go and apply the technique in the share market. It's value investing. Buy cheap stock. Buy when other people fearful. If it drop, I buy, right? Be greedy when others are fearful. Low PE, buy, right? And I thought I'm like god of stock, right? Gu Shen. Yes, initially I made some money. Then after that, I lost it back. And I lost it back while holding onto all these so-called value investing stock, and I keep it and I hold and I hold and hold, right? And I don't know when to let go. But after all this failure, I start to figure out what went wrong, right? And I start to learn from people who are successful and continuously able to make money. And that's when I found there is a distinction. All these successful people, they also know what FATA, they know one, right? But more importantly, they have two extra things that most people don't have or don't control well. What are they? Number one is they have strategies, and these strategies come from their experience. What do I mean by this? Not all stocks are made the same. Some stocks are story stock, thematic stock. The FAO is okay, but now they are way overvalued. But you can still make money from them because people like to chase a stock. It will go up higher and higher. But these stocks, you need to know when to let go. When the story is not so nice anymore, you need to let go. Right? You cannot hold on to it saying, oh, it's a good long-term investment. If you do that, you go from profit to loss. Right? There are some stocks are cyclical stocks as well. Right? They go down and go up every 10 years, go down to like 40 cents, go up to 2 ringgit, go down 40 cents, 2 ringgit. And the way to buy it is when they are at the low or almost starting to go up, that's when you buy. And you need to let go at the top. Right? These are cyclical stocks. You cannot hold on forever. If you hold on forever, you'll be ground zero again. Just collect dividend only. And there are certain stocks that are long-term stocks, but boring one. Right? Get dividend, maybe 6% dividend, but the company don't grow. And you buy thinking it's long-term, thinking you're going to make money, but when you make the return, you're not so happy because too slow. But you are the one that go and choose all these, income stocks. But these are the stocks that people buy for dividend, right? Why you go and buy it if you are looking for high growth? So my key is, if you want to be able to consistently make money and happy with your investment result, not only you need to read these books, attend seminar, learn the FATA, but more importantly, you need to be able to identify what stock using what kind of strategy to play. How do you buy in? That's also another strategy. When do you sell? How do you sell out? Right? Knowing how to identify the chart, all this is just level 1. Level 2 is the strategy. But level 3 is to get good information. And that's the second distinction between normal people and people that are able to successfully invest well. They know where to find good information, and they actually have access to better information than most of us, right? They know where to find, annual report, that know how to read the thing. They know how to get access to investor briefing, get in touch with the company. They know how to ask the right question during the AGM so that they get answer to better guide them in their investment decision. This is something that most people don't do, right? Most people, if you look at them, how they buy stocks, right? People say this stock good, they go and buy a bit. They see, Genting macam yes, then they go and buy. Right? I'm not saying Genting is good or bad, but all using guessing, using feeling, using emotion, that's not the way, right? If you want this to be a career that pays you like a career, not like a hobby, not like a game, but like a career, consistent growing income, then you need to treat it like a career. Put in more effort, right? Study the basics, the company FATA. Then after that, use the right strategy and stick with it. And after that, keep yourself updated with all this good information. But for the normal people, it's not that easy to do, especially if you're starting from nothing. You don't know the strategy, you don't have the experience. That's why I've created a special training just for you. Whether you're a total beginner, want to step into the market, but you are afraid to lose money, join this training. If you are already successful or if you are struggling, experienced, can join this training. I'm sure there's 1 or 2 tricks you can pick it up. And in this upcoming training, I will be showing you what is my checklist. How do I find a company, then after that, figure out, okay, it's better for short term or long term? What's my strategy? How do I buy in? When do I sell out? right? All this strategy with the company. When I determine that, I buy it, and how do I, from this, consistently generate 20 to 30,000 ringgit every month as income from stocks, right? And the key is consistency, right? It's not like one time generate 100,000, then next month don't make money, then after that lose a little bit, then well, it's not like that. It's a career, consistent income. So if you like to learn that and the checklist how to do it, go ahead and join my upcoming free training, and I hope to see you there. Once again, my name is Ming Teck. I hope you understand that all this basic analysis is just step one, but more importantly, strategies, right? And getting info updated, asking the right questions is also very important if you want to separate yourself from most of the investors and come out at the top. That's all for me today. Hope to see you at my live training. Just register at the button below, the link above. Bye bye.